Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Ford F-250. First, ensure your truck is safely parked and running. Then, turn on your phone's Bluetooth setting. Next, access the sync system menu on your F-250's display. From there, select the Add Device or Phone option to begin the pairing process. Once you've selected to add a device on your F-250's sync system, your truck will become discoverable. On your phone, search for Sync in the Bluetooth device list and select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the truck screen. Confirm these numbers match. Finally, allow permissions for contacts and messages if prompted, and your phone will be successfully paired. If you encounter issues, try some troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your phone and the sync system by turning the vehicle off and on. You can also delete old devices from the sync memory to clear potential conflicts. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is visible and discoverable. If problems persist, consult your F-250 owner's manual for specific guidance or consider a master reset of the sync system. With your phone connected, you can now enjoy various Bluetooth features in your F-250. Make hands-free calls using voice commands, stream your favorite audio from your phone directly to the truck speakers, and even receive text message alerts on the display. This connectivity enhances your driving experience, making it both safer and more convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.